All right, guys, so we made another packet for you, and I just want to kind of talk through some of the things that are in the packet just to make sure that everybody understands what Ms. Hamilton is looking for when you do these activities. So I'm going to switch my camera. Actually, some of them I can just talk to you about. So you have one that has the last 5 sight words that we've worked on. Like, me, see, thee, and to. All you need to do is you can say the word and then have your child say the word, or some of your children might already recognize these sight words and they can read them to you. I would say just practice it. Just tell them like and then have them repeat it. And then you can even say the letters L-I-K-E, like, and then have them repeat it. And then they're just going to write the word like in the box. So you're going to write it 1, 2, 3 times. And then you would move down to the word me and do the same thing. Just say the word me, have them repeat it. Then you can say M-E, me, and then have them also repeat it. Write it again and keep going until you finish all 5. This one's another one that's pretty self-explanatory. You're just going to cut the bottom pictures and then have your child put the pictures. We're looking for rhyming words. So dog, and which one of these pictures rhymes with dog? And they'll glue that picture here under the dog. For the shapes, this is kind of a fun one. Just color and cut out the shapes and then have your children rearrange them into, they can just come up with a picture. Like you can use a blank piece of paper. They can glue them on. They can use, they could use the triangle and the square to make a house. Let them use their imagination to use their shapes that they color and cut to create a picture. This is like a puzzle. You're going to cut the bottom pieces out. You'll have 5 pieces all together, and then you arrange them in order. Start with 1 and keep going, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then when they get the pictures in order, you'll see what it actually makes. If you have any questions about any of these things, please just give me a call or a text. This one's pretty easy. This is practicing syllables or how many parts in a word. So you'll just read the word to your child, flower, have them say the word flower, and then you say, let's clap it, flower. Have them clap it with you. You can do it again, flower. Ask them how many times did I clap or did we clap. They'll tell you 2. So then you find the number 2 and they just color the number 2. Try it again with B. Have them repeat the word B. Then you can clap it. B. How many times did we clap? Find the number of how many times that you clapped. How many syllables does the word B have? We've got a counting sheet. This one's pretty easy peasy. Count the items or the objects and then write the number that you counted here in the box. When your child is counting, make sure they touch each one. You could even put a little mark on it, or they can color as they count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It helps, if they touch each one, it helps them to not miss any, and it helps them keep track of their counting. So just count the objects and write the number. For this one here, you are going to, again, count the objects that you see in the box. It's hard to see on my camera, but there are 3 snowflakes here. And then you'll just draw a line that connects the pictures to the right number. So 3 snowflakes, I'm going to draw a line to connect it to number 3. Now I'm going to flip my camera so that hopefully you can see what's on my desk. Cross your fingers that this works. It's not going to work because I just looked at my computer and there's not the, usually there's a little camera icon that allows me to flip it around. So I'm going to stop this video and I'm going to pick up where I left off so that you can actually see the table where I'm working.